Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss the remaining portions of the exercise 11.3 chapter perimeter and area, page 223. Okay, page 223. First question number 9. Sajli took a wire of length 44 cm and bent it into the shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle. First we will find the radius of the circle. Next we will find its area. And if the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, then what will be the length of each of its sides and which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square. Okay. Here it is given that Sajli took a wire of length 44 cm and bent it into the shape of a circle. Clearly, the circumference of the circle is equal to 44 cm. Let R be the radius of the circle. Therefore, circumference 2 pi r is equal to 44 or 2 cross 22 divided by 7 cross r is equal to 44 or r is equal to 7. Therefore, radius of the circle is 7 cm. Now, area of the circle is equal to pi r square, that is 22 divided by 7 cross 49 square cm, that is 154 square cm. It is clear? Up to this portion, any problem? Next we will find the area of the square. Okay. We will find the area of the square. Okay. Sajli bent the same wire into the shape of a square. Therefore, perimeter of the square is equal to 44 cm. Let A be the length of the each side of the square. Therefore, 4A, that is perimeter, is equal to 44 or A is equal to 11. Therefore, the length of the each side of the square is 11 semi, and therefore, area is equal to 11 square semi square, that is 121 semi square. Since the area of the circle is 154 semi square and area of the square is 121 semi square, therefore, circle encloses more area than square. Clear? Up to this portion, any problem, students? Therefore, circle encloses more area than square. Since the area of the circle is 154 semi square and area of the square is 121 semi square. So, circle encloses more area than square. Next, question number 10. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 semi, two circles of radius 3.5 semi and a rectangle of length 3 semi and breadth 1 semi are removed as shown in the adjoining figure. Here the figure is given. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Okay. Find the area of the remaining sheet. First, area of the circular card sheet. Of the circular card sheet. Of radius 14 semi is equal to pi cross 14 square semi square, and area of the circle of radius of radius 3.5 semi is equal to pi cross 3.5 square semi square, and area of the rectangle of length 3 semi and breadth 1 semi is equal to 3 square semi. Since from the circular card sheet of radius 14 semi, two circles of radius 3.5 semi and a rectangle of length 3 semi and breadth 1 semi are removed. Therefore, the area of the remaining sheet, sheet is equal to pi cross 14 square minus 2 pi into 3.5 square minus 3, and the answer will be 536 semi square. In this case, we take pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. We take pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. Therefore, area of the remaining sheet is equal to 536 semi square. Check the calculation. Next, question number 11. A circle of radius 2 semi is cut out from a square piece of an aluminum sheet of side 6 semi. Then what is the area of the leftover aluminum sheet? Okay. First we will find the area of the circle, then area of the square piece. Area of the circle of radius two semi is equal to pi cross 2 square semi square, that is 4 pi semi square, and the area of the square piece of side 6 semi of side 6 semi is equal to 6 square semi square, that is 36 semi square. Since a circle of radius 2 semi is cut out from a square piece of an aluminum sheet of size 6 semi, therefore, the area of the leftover aluminum sheet is equal to the area of the leftover aluminum sheet is equal to 36 minus 4 pi semi square. In this case, we take pi is equal to 3.14. And this is equal to 36 minus 12.56 semi square, and the final answer is 23.44 semi square. Therefore, the area of the leftover aluminum sheet is equal to 23.44 semi square. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss another chapter. Thank you.